Meghalaya Police as full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police today. The commander in his report had mentioned that various inputs have been given to you, activities were planned out, and I'm glad to hear that you have not only participated in activities, but you have given back to the training center and battalion headquarters in what you have contributed in the way of water preservation and conserving water.